Hi and welcome back. My name is Natalie from Wiplabs.com, the #1 store for innovative, crowd-funded, cool tech products. Today we're going to do an unboxing of the pen type A. Definitely a store favorite and a very cool product. I said cool twice, whatever. Alright, here we go. Small little packaging. Just pull this little sleeve off and out comes this beautiful pen. It's really heavy in weight. It has a small ruler as the sleeve, and when you pull out the pen, which is fits precisely into the sleeve, you'll see a very beautiful tip, just a very well engineered, precise pen. And it uses pilot gel refills, which you can open over here. And it's just supposed to be a very beautiful pen that it can be passed down in generations and uses refills that you can find anywhere. So I'm just gonna test it out. Ooh, yeah, that's nice. Smooth, beautiful. Yeah, it has a really nice heavy feel in your hand, so it feels like a quality product. So here it is, the pen type A. Check that out. Clicks in when it gets to the bottom, and when you turn it over like this, it actually doesn't come out. Only when you, yeah, like it really doesn't come out, but if you pull at it, then slowly. Ooh, and it makes that nice little pop sound at the bottom. Well, let's see. Ooh, can you hear that? It's like pop. Okay, anyway, beautiful product, great gift for architects, anyone who has to use rulers a lot, anyone who needs a really precise writing instrument on their desk. This is the pen type A. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you got one, if you're gonna get one. Would love to hear your feedback. My name's Natalie from Wiplabs.com, and I can't wait to see you on the store again.